The same trusted name in premium screen print emulsions also makes chemistry designed to work specifically with your emulsion. At Chromaline, we understand that consistent, high-quality screen printing starts long before the ink hits the garment. That's why we created integrated screen chemistry, a complete system formulated to optimize your emulsion's performance. Start with Chroma Wet iSC, our adhesion-promoting degreaser. It cleans and preps your mesh while helping ensure proper emulsion adhesion. Make on-press color changes fast and easy with Textile Press Wash iSC. This quick-drying, low-odor formula removes ink fast and prevents stencil lock-in for a cleaner, more efficient workflow. Enhance your screen reclaiming process with Chroma Screen Wash iSC. This versatile cleaner effectively emulsifies plastisol, UV, and solvent-based inks for easy water removal, while its low-odor, low-foam formula works seamlessly in both manual and automatic cleaning systems. Additionally, it helps reduce or eliminate ghost images, ensuring your screens are thoroughly cleaned and ready for reuse. And when it's time to reclaim, Chroma Strip iSC makes emulsion removal quick and easy, so you can get back to production faster. Its built-in surfactant penetrates deeper into the emulsion layer for faster breakdown, making it both a time and cost saver. The best part? All these products are made by Chromaline, engineered specifically to work together. It's not just chemistry, it's chemistry to help you print with confidence.